One of the problems most flyers have on the drones, agricultural drones, is to change from a single nozzle to a dual nozzle. You have to screw it onto your bracket. If you want to change, unscrew it and then screw up the next one. So I've designed this 3D printed bracket, which you can connect to your bracket on the drone. And then if you want to use the small nozzle, the single nozzle, take out the adapter piece, slide it in, clip it up, connect, and you're ready to go. If you want to go to the dual nozzle, slide in the dual nozzle, clip it up, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching the short how-to video. Please like and subscribe and share wherever you go.